Hello everyone. I don't feel like cooking tonight because I don't got nothing to cook anyways. So I'm gonna bring you to my favorite Khmer street food cook lady with her little street cart, and we'll see if we can't check her out while she's cooking my supper. Mind you now, my idea of a Khmer dinner and everybody else's may be a little bit different, but well, to each his own. And yeah, I'm just not that big of a foodie. You know, I've said many times before, two kinds of people in the world when it comes to food: those who live to eat and those who eat to live. And I'm one of those who eat to live. Alrighty, let's check this out. Yum yum. Okay, let's start out with cooking an egg there. Oh, yummy. That's just the beginning of it. There's the place. It's right next to the wood-burning pizza place there that I have not yet tried. But yeah, there it is. And that's the beginning of the sauce. I don't know what it is, but I think it's got garlic in it, and I think they're using palm oil here in Cambodia more so than the other kind of oils. There she kind of almost caramelizes the beef. The Lok Lak, she's making me some Lok Lak. It's modified Lok Lak because she's going to make it and pour it over fried rice, and traditionally it's over steamed rice. And there's the beginning of, well, the eggs for the rice. Scramble it all. Good scramble on there. Get your scramble on. That's what she's talking about. And put whatever that is. And let's put some green stuff in there. And, oh, wait a minute. Some more green stuff. Kind of green. Light green, dark green. And, oh, wait a minute. Pick that bug out. Get it. There we go. Don't want him. It's too much beef. And then she throws some rice in there. She's going to get that rice really nice and tasty and brown. And I do believe some of the stuff that they use in it, especially in the beef, is oyster sauce. It's like an oyster paste, and soy sauce, and one other sauce, and I'm not sure what it is. And then I should be putting some other things. Yeah, put some of that. I want two of those. Put two of those in there for me, please. Thank you. One or the other. There. Oh yeah, whatever that stuff is, because it's good. And yeah, there you go. She makes it look all nice. She's gonna take the egg off and watch this beef. She's gonna put down there. Oh, yummy. Look at that. Put some more, and hey, I want all of the juice. Give me the juice there. Now she's gonna unceremoniously throw the egg on top of there. But that's okay, because I'm gonna unceremoniously eat it. So, anyways, if you're still here, you know you are my number one foodies. Y'all, hopefully you like it, and have a great day. Thank you very much.